Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a smooth earth zoom in transition effect using AI and After Effects. This video is not sponsored in any way. I'm simply sharing this because I received a lot of requests on Instagram. To make this AI-powered transition look seamless, we'll be using ChatGPT to help generate the perfect prompt. Then we'll move over to an AI website to create the actual zoom in video. All the websites and prompts mentioned will be linked in the video description, so feel free to check them out and use them for free. Now let's get started. First we need an image from the video we'll be transitioning into. For example, I'm using this drone shot, so I'll scroll to the beginning of the clip and take a screenshot of the first frame, then save it as an image. There are several ways to take a screenshot. One of the fastest is by using the FX Console plugin. Just click the camera icon here to capture the frame. The image will be saved to your folder automatically. If you don't have the plugin, you can also take a screenshot by going to Composition, selecting Save Frame As, and choosing either File or Photoshop layer, then save it as a PNG or JPEG. Once you have the first frame saved, we can move on to generating the prompt. Here I have the text ready that I'm going to ask ChatGPT. This prompt describes the drone shot I'm using, and in your case, you'll need to adjust the wording to match your footage. Copy your version of the text, head over to ChatGPT, and paste it in. ChatGPT will generate the perfect prompt we need for the earth zoom transition. Now copy the prompt it gives you and go to the AI website. Click Create, select Video, and upload the image you saved earlier. Next, change the transition type by clicking Change, then search for earth and select it. Paste in the prompt you got from ChatGPT and then hit the Generate button and wait until it finishes creating the zooming video. Once the video is finished rendering, click the Save icon at the top. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and drag the video into your After Effects timeline. Let's quickly preview the result. It looks clean and smooth. However, since we need a zoom in transition, we'll need to reverse the video. To do that, right-click on the layer, go to Time, and select Time Reverse Layer. Next, scale the video to fit the screen, and preview it again. That looks great. I'll also position my actual clip to follow the zoom, and now we can see the full transition in action. Everything looks good, except for one issue. The end of the zoom slows down a bit, which makes the transition feel off. We can fix that by speeding it up. Start by pre-composing the earth zoom video. Make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration are both selected, then click OK. Now right-click on the pre-comp, go to Time, and select Enable Time Remapping. The zoom clip is also a bit long for my liking, so I'll trim it down. Scroll to the point where you want the zoom to end, in my case about 2 seconds in. Drag the Time Remap keyframe forward until the video is fully zoomed in. You can also just move the last keyframe directly to your desired endpoint if you prefer not to adjust the timing manually. Once the final position is set, delete the remaining keyframes beyond that point. Then select the 2 main keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor, right-click and choose Edit Value Graph and create a smooth curve. In my case, I want the zoom to start slowly and speed up toward the end, so I'll shape the curve accordingly. This will give the zoom a more natural acceleration and improve the transition. Let's preview it again. That already looks much better and smoother. To enhance it further, I'll add a shake effect. I will use one from the AM Film Shakes pack. Let's check it again. Perfect. I love how it looks. If you notice any jitter or choppiness in the zoom clip, fix it by double-clicking on the pre-comp, selecting the original zoom video and enabling frame blending. Then close the pre-comp. Now we're almost done. The last step is to match the colors between the AI-generated zoom and the original video clip. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.